white fox. The author wrote this selection most likely to tell the reader that A, Arctic foxes are interesting creatures. B, Arctic foxes are about the size of a domestic cat. C, Arctic foxes are warm and camouflage animals. D, Arctic foxes are carnivores that may scavenge when necessary. Question number 2. Which words from paragraph 1 help the reader understand the meaning of camouflage? A, white fur. B, helping it stay safe. C, from predators. D, warmest of any animal. So which word helps you understand camouflage, or which phrase? Number 3. Which sentence from the selection suggests that Arctic fox doesn't always slaughter its own food? A, the Arctic fox has a keen sense of hearing and smell to detect animals traveling in tunnels beneath the surface. B, it will kill its own prey or scavenge a dead animal if it needs to in order to eat. C, the Arctic fox is a carnivore or meat eater. D, the fox is known for digging seal puppies out of their caves with their large claws, pulling them out of their... Whoops, well, I gave y'all that one. Pulling them. Question number 4. This selection is mostly about, all right, this is a main idea question. A, informing readers about different fox species, so different species meaning more than one. B, the prey of the Arctic fox, is this whole thing about their prey. C, how Arctic foxes use their fur as camouflage. Or D, describing an interesting animal. Number 5, according to the selection, the Arctic fox, A, swims with seals. B, wears a white fur coat and gloves. D, lives in a very cold area. C, lives in a very cold area. D, is a type of household cat. Number 6, which detail from the selection suggests that the Arctic fox has very good senses? So what they see, smell, taste, touch, hear. So which one talks about their senses? A, the fox can hear and smell animals traveling beneath the snow. B, the fox is a meat eater who hunts for food. C, the seal pups live in caves. D, the temperature can get extremely frigid in the area. So which one is actually talking about their senses? 7, this selection would most likely be found in a book title. Here's another main idea question, and we're practicing making our own titles. So what will be another title for this story that you just read? A, Arctic poetry for youth. Are we talking about poetry in this passage? B, creatures of the Arctic. Are we talking about more than one animal? C, realistic fiction for young readers. Is this fiction? Or D, sly creatures from around the world. Which story would this be found in? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all that one because, yeah, it is this one right here. If you're listening to my recording, I'm giving answers. 8, which of the following belongs in the empty box? So we have the cause, we need the effect. The fur is white and very hot. It is an animal found in the Arctic. It can withstand extremely cold temperatures. The temperatures get below 0 degrees. So the Arctic fox has a warm pelt. So what does that mean? 9, the author organizes the information in the selection by. So here's a text structure question. Listing different prey the fox may hunt, comparing types of Arctic foxes, informing the reader about the Arctic fox, showing how a fox hibernates. And number 10, here's a vocabulary question. Which meaning best matches the way the word sharp is used in the selection? So we have 4 definitions for sharp, which is the one that is used in our story. A, having an edge that is able to cut. B, something that tapers to a point. B, above a normal pitch in music. Or I'm lying. A, having an edge that is able to cut. B, something that tapers to a point. C, above a normal pitch in music. D, the sign number indicating a musical note.